So I know the burning question on everyone's mind. What's in a good Bugout bag? So, I decided I'd lay mine out for y'all today. Alright, in this very front pocket, which is absolutely useless, there is nothing. Because that pocket is useless. I mean, check this shit out. I can't even get my fucking hand in there. Barely. But that's about all. And I can't either way. So in the front, I'm gonna rush through this because I don't really even feel like doing this shit right now. This is for y'all. I've got a knife. It's a Benchmade, of course. Quick Benchmade plug. If you like knives and you like award-winning customer service and you like lifetime warranties and you like to spend a little more and get a little more, buy Benchmade. And then I got another shitty little pocket knife, but it's got some stuff. Got a swimmer's nose plug. And I've got some waterproof matches. I don't think the matches are waterproof, but they're in a waterproof case. A lighter, some shit to write with, some shit to write on. Moving on. Got some bear mace, which I'm really excited about. I've decided not to shoot people if they break in my house, so I'm just going to bear mace them. I just think it'll be funny. And I'm going to put it on YouTube, hopefully get some hits or something. Anyway, I've got some cold weather gear, some gloves and a hat, a neck gaiter, sharpening stone, a whetstone and whetstone oil. This is all just like charging shit. A car adapter, the appropriate cables, and then 2 wall adapters. This is kind of like my sleepy time sleepover bag. If I like go to people's houses and shit, I'll take this, and that way I can charge my crap when I'm at their house. Because no one ever has the right fucking shit that you need, or extras, or there's always a problem if you don't bring your own chargers these days. Gotta put this down. Next up, we've got, I don't even know, it's a mystery to me at this point. Looks like a headlamp and some batteries. And I took the batteries out of the headlamp because if you leave batteries in stuff, the batteries just go dead. If you take batteries out of stuff, the batteries last years. Even if it's not on, I'm saying. And then up here I got more. I got some boot socks. I got my fun little boonie hat. Got foliage green kind of scarf situation. See, I need to put my neck gaiter in with that stuff. I got my ninja hood. You don't really look like a ninja. You look like a knight from the gay table. We got some chapstick and a razor and some baby wipes and a toothbrush and some toothpaste. So that's, and a comb and fingernail clippers. So some hygiene stuff in there. Oh God. Are we okay? Moving on to the last compartment. I have right now the only thing missing out of here is MREs. You know, if you're gonna go anywhere, have a few MREs in your bag. I just have ordered some recently and they have not arrived yet. That's why I don't have them. Got some extra eye pro, ear pro, and something else in there. Oh, extra pair of gloves. And then I've got a decent little first aid surgical field kit here. It's from my car, but that's the bag and some of the contents. I've added some of my own goodies and stuff, and a headlamp with no batteries. Fresh batteries in there. I got this cool Life Straw Flex. These are dirt cheap, and they will save your ass if you need to drink out of a creek or a lake or a pond or a stream. I mean, always go for a running body of water rather than a still body of water, but doesn't matter. You got what you got sometimes. And if you need water, this will make that possible. You fill this up, drink it through the straw, it filters out parasites, bacteria, lead, all kinds of cool shit. So anyway, pick one of these up. They're pretty cheap. They're like $20 or something. I mean, for what they do, they're not that expensive. Anyway, that goes with that. And then I got a sleeping bag. So those are all my goodies. Let me know what you think and what you have and what you don't have, what you'd like to have, what you think I should have. All right.